You can't be serious, bro. You can't be serious, bro. So here's Hilton right here. Here's me pulling up. I'm the only one out here. Only one here. Looking for a customer. He said he looks like me, bro. Yes. Get in here. Come on, bro. Get in here. Let me give you a handshake, man. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Touchdowns, bro.
I was like, oh, this guy's gonna.
What? No.
Over. He's gonna.
Never.
But you gotta believe in people, you know.
Bro, do you know I just fucking got the touchdown from the guy before?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, man. Let me shake your hand. Yeah. Oh man, nice place. Okay.
Thanks.
Next time you need anything, just hit me up. This is what I specialize in.
Now I know.
But it was you, and there was another business card in front of you,
Yeah.
and then there was another person,
It's
and
all right.
I'm getting both of you at the same time.
It's all right.
Everyone was a touchdown.
It's all right.
Everything was a touchdown. So I'm sorry I don't have any double-side tape for you, bro.
I'll go
But
to Walgreens. I guess there should be some.
next time, let me know. I install these.
I know.
With vinyl.
They wanted $5,000 for 6.
I know. I know, bro. I know.
So I know it's.
I'm not trying to charge you that.
It's
But
good that
I
know
literally
you.
do that every time for multiple people.
Of course.
Yeah, because you can peel it off and give it back, and you don't get charged with
Yeah,
fee.
yeah, yeah.
And it's this double-sided sticker. Nothing. But feel that. That's really nice. It's not just paper.
Yeah,
It's the UV print. It makes it a little more plastic.
Yeah,
It's not gonna rip.
I feel it.
It's not gonna rip.
Feel it. Thanks a lot.
Bro, touchdown. Hey, I better get a good review on Google, right?
You will.
You will?
You will.
All right, bro. I'm glad we got this done. Touchdown number 2. Have a good day. I'm getting my own shit. Whew. What a fucking trip. And it's windy and cold as shit. We're all freezing and shivering out there. What a fucking trip. What a trip. Fuck yes. With the second touchdown with a minute to spare, your boy Marky Saint, bro, pulled it off. I pulled it off like a boss. I love my life. You know, all these guy people and their SUVs, and I'm pulling out, and I got my touchdown, if you know what I mean. So it's windy.